common English mistakes you may be making, and how to fix them.
Don't say. What does it mean? Say. What does it mean? Don't say. You are good in English. Say. You are good at English. Don't say. How to spell it? Say. How do you spell it? Don't say. I have 20-year-old. Say. I am 20 years old. Don't say. I will visit her at Friday. Say. I will visit her on Friday. Don't say. I have lost the bus. Say. I have missed the bus. Don't say. I know him good. Say. I know him well. Don't say. Sky is overcast. Say. The sky is overcast. Don't say. 3 deers are grazing there. Say. 3 deer are grazing there. Don't say. People of our city are simple. Say. The people of our city are simple. Don't say. We saw a snake in the grass. Say. We saw a snake in the grass. Don't say. His hairs are gray. Say. His hair is gray. Don't say. Summer vacations have started. Say. Summer vacation has started. Don't say. He gave me an advice. Say. He gave me a piece of advice. Don't say. More you work, more you will gain. Say. The more you work, the more you will gain. Don't say. This is a best-written novel. In the market. Say. This is the best-written novel. In the market. Don't say. A old man was taking tea. Say. An old man was taking tea. Don't say. Where is my pant? Say. Where are my pants? Don't say. Today, I'll cut my hair. Say. I'll have my hair cut today. Don't say. She doesn't listen me. Say. She doesn't listen to me. Don't say. Where I can find a bank. Say. Where can I find a bank? Don't say. Please explain me. How improve my English? Say. Please explain to me. How to improve my English? Don't say. I want buy a new car. Say. I want to buy a new car. Don't say. Somebody do something. Say. Somebody does something. Don't say. I saw a dream last night. Say. I had a dream last night. Don't say. My birthday is on March. Say. My birthday is in March. Don't say. The news were good. Say. The news was good. Don't say. I don't know nothing about computers. Say. I don't know anything about computers. Don't say. I didn't meet nobody. Say. I didn't meet anybody. Don't say. I might go for a walk today, but it all depends of the weather. Say. I might go for a walk today, but it all depends on the weather. Don't say. Sarah is married with my brother. Say. Sarah is married to my brother. Don't say. I have always been interested on movies. Say. I have always been interested in movies. Don't say. What means Facebook? Say. What is the meaning of Facebook? Or. What does Facebook mean?